Daddy has something for you. Are you ready for it? You ready for me to give it to you? Here it is.
She's a baby. I keep her forever. She's so cute. These match. These are kitties. They have.
What do you think, Isla? What is that?
It's a kitty.
Is it the same?
Yeah.
Oh, are they sisters?
Yeah, they're sisters. But I actually call them Avatar. I actually call them that name.
Are you going to love them both as their mommy?
Yeah.
Is one clean and one dirty?
Yeah.
Okay.
But see you later.
I'm so glad that you love them.